Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 192.2. We thought that the price will continue its selling, maintaining 193.5 as the stop loss. So right after the opening, the price took support, went and cleared the stop, and it went near 195 and closed near that. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 195. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. If you are a seasoned natural gas trader, or if you are trading in natural gas continuously in the last few contracts, you know that 192 is becoming quite an important level. So since the price had taken a support near 192, and we could see that the intensity of fall is not very strong, we feel that if the price can clear 196, then it can possibly go for buying, a short term buying at least. So what we can do today, so it's going to be a very high risk potential trade we need to take, which means that if the price is moving above 197, there are a few things we can do today, which is not going to be very easy. Above 197, go for buying by placing stop loss near 195. This is one way where you will get a 2-point stop. If the momentum is strong on the buying side, the price will clear 196 and it keep moves up. Or wait for the price to drop near 194 or 193.5 or 193, then go for buying by placing a stop near 191, which means that we are trying to test 192. So these are the two ways where you can try. Both are quite a risky thing what we are doing. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.